Hey, it's Jimmy Kim, and in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make money online. I've got the exact system that's helped me step by step make my money online, and it's helped these students as well.
Worth the time, worth the money, worth the effort.
In the last 5 weeks, I've been able to generate commissions just over the $2,500 mark.
I highly recommend you join Build My List.
He showed me step by step how to do it as a newcomer, and I'm just very grateful for the program.
As you can see, this method is proven and time tested, and it's the exact system that I use every day in my business. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna head to my house. But before we go in, I need a favor. I need you to turn off all distractions. Grab a pen and paper and get ready to learn. Okay, we ready? Let's go. Six years ago, when I first tried to make money online, I tried everything. Video marketing, affiliate marketing, SEO, blogging, PPC, social media, PPV. I tried everything, and the results were exactly the same. Zero to little income at all. It wasn't until I discovered an email list and how to build that list that I was able to make money online. That helped me go from hundreds of dollars to thousands of dollars to hundreds of thousands of dollars to over millions of dollars a year using that exact method. And that's been my success for the last couple of years. Now, before I can help you duplicate my success, I need you to know exactly why you need an email list and how to build that email list. And I've got this short little presentation that I want you to watch, in which I'm gonna share with you exactly why you need a list. First and foremost, you need to know that everything you're about to see is time tested. In fact, I have undeniable proof that I'm gonna show you to prove that it works. I've trained and tested thousands of students now. I've personally generated over $300,000 in sales per month. My business has grown about 150% every year, all using the 5 simple steps that I'm about to show you. For example, take a look at one of my businesses that I have. It's just one of the many I have. I do over $5,000 in sales a day. It takes about 10 minutes a day of my time, sometimes not even that. Now, look at this business. I just started it a few months ago. I spent about 10 minutes a day, and within just a short 6 months, I'm generating over $25,000 a month. That's over $800 a day of almost complete autopilot. In a few minutes, I'm going to show you a live case study that displays exactly how I got to $833 or $25,000 in commissions a month. It's amazing how simple and easy it really is. And yes, you can copy it exactly. All this happening thanks to my 5-step system. That's it. I seriously found a system that makes it feel like you can print money. Look, the core of the entire system is simple. It's building an email list. Now, I know you've heard that before, but trust me, not the way I'm about to show you. There are things that no one has ever told you. As a matter of fact, many marketers hide these things. I'm about to pour it all out. First and foremost, let me explain how email marketing really works and why it's absolutely the #1 way of making money online. Out of the hundreds of ways you can make money online, this is the only one that allows you to make money on demand. I mean it. Let's say I'm sitting around right now and I decide that I want to make some money. Within about 10 minutes, I can do a few simple steps, hit the send button, and voila. Within minutes, I'm going to be printing money. Okay, here's what I mean. The examples I'm going to show you in a few minutes, the one where I took a brand new business, invested just 10 minutes a day, and now generated over $25,000 a month, or a little over $800 a day, again, with just 10 minutes of work. Remember, this is without me even trying, but I'm going to show you strategies that can double this easily. Well, in just 6 months in this niche, I used a very cool trick to build an email list of about 58,452 people. It was quick, fast, and easy to do. Honestly, I was just playing around. Okay, now, well, you see this? Have you heard of the New York Yankees? Well, they're one of the most famous sports teams in the world. You see this stadium? That's their home stadium. According to Wikipedia, this stadium can carry about 52,000 people at any given time. That's crazy, right? Well, now imagine that you can stand in the middle of the stadium, someone gave you a megaphone in your hand, and for about 3 minutes, you can have everyone's attention paying attention to you. Everyone in the stadium is listening to you, hanging on to your every word. Wouldn't that be cool? Do you think you can make $200? $800? How about $2,000? Well, you bet your butt you can. Now, it even gets better. What if I told you you can stand in the middle of the stadium once a day, every day, and get the megaphone every single day. Think about it. I have more people on my email list in less than a short 6 months than an entire Yankee Stadium can handle. I have 58,452 people. That means once a day, I can get their attention every day. All it takes me is just a few minutes of my time. Here, let me show you this. I want to show you how email marketing works, and I'm going to show you a way that no one has probably ever shown you, simple and within minutes. This is me. Now, I'm here at my computer. I'm going to log into a website. This website just gave me an account, and if you keep listening, I'm actually going to give you an account. So, now, let's log in. Okay, I just select my list. Remember, I have tons of lists in many different niches. That's how I can do over $300,000 in sales a month. Okay, well, let's say I picked this one. See this? It's got over 58,452 subscribers. I click it. Now, it's time to type in a quick email. I'm talking like 4 or 5 paragraphs. Again, keep listening. I'm going to show you something super cool. I'll give you my best emails. You won't even have to write them. Okay, so for you, you just copy and paste the email here. Now, just hit next. And finally, hit the send now button. That's it. Hello, Megaphone. I just sent an email to every person on my list. Imagine that in one click, you could send an entire stadium of people an email. Well, that's what you can do. As these emails go out, of course, thousands and thousands will read my emails and thousands will click on those links in my email. Now, the links, most of them are just affiliate links. That means I'm just sending people to someone else's website. I have nothing to do with that. As soon as they get to the website, and if they buy, you ready for this? I'll make 50 to 100% commissions. I'll make anywhere from $30 to $300 per sale. All I did was take 10 minutes and send a simple email. That's it. I'll never have to do anything else except cash in my check. Now you're wondering, where do I find these affiliate programs? Don't worry, keep listening. Again, in a few minutes, I'm going to hand you a list of the best one. Here, look at this mailing I just did. I logged in, I hit send now, and within just 6 hours, over 2,100 people clicked my link. Just like that, over 2,100 people. Okay, now, time for some math. You ready? Out of 2,100 people, about 2% loved the message and decided to invest in a small amount of money for a great product. Remember, I didn't have to do anything. It's not even my own product. But I still made a $35 commission for free every time someone made a decision to buy. So 2,100 times 2%, that equals 42. Now, 42 people from all over the world decided to buy something, all because I took 10 minutes to write an email. Now, that's $35 commissions per sale, so 42 times $35 equals $1,470. Look, that's $1,470 of pure profit for about 10 minutes of work. You know, that's more than an average American paycheck for a full-time job in 2 weeks. Anyone can do this, guys. Yes, you can do this. That's why I want to show you the 5-step system. There's nothing special here. It's just a formula. You can imagine being able to spend about 10 minutes writing an email, and then just hours later, you have $1,470 in your account. Think about what happens when your list goes to 100,000 or then 200,000. I have lists that are over 200,000 big. Here, look. Every time I send an email, these lists, I made $817.12. $2,180.12, even up to $3,829.84 just for a mailing. Isn't that amazing? Now, you see what I mean? This is why it's important to have an email list, but not any old list. You need to build a list using a very, very specific system that I've created. It's just 5 steps. But when you master these, you're going to be financially free for the rest of your life.
Even to this day, I still get results from doing exactly what he taught inside of his Build My List.
Jimmy's one of his trainings really opened my eyes about how to build a list.
Thank you so much, Jimmy, for everything you have done. You and your team have just been remarkable in my growth and in my success.
Now that you know why list building is so important, the biggest question that you probably have is, can I do it? Now, 6 years ago when I first started online, it wasn't very easy. But over the last 6 years, I've been able to take it and systemize it into 5 easy steps. Step number 1, list secrets. I'm gonna teach you how to build your own list. I'm gonna go from A to Z, and I'm gonna make it easy and simplified. You don't need to worry about tech skills. You don't need to worry about HTML. Everything you need to know is gonna be handed to you on a silver platter. Step number 2, it's called the Profit Machine. It's an automated system that takes you about 10 minutes a day, and the system does everything for you. You're gonna get access to this technology for free. Step number 3, max commissions. I'm gonna teach you where and when to get your commissions online. I'm gonna teach you exactly the best sources and how you can maximize these commissions every day. Step number 4, the Business Wizard. The Business Wizard is just that. It's a simple 5-minute tool that lets you drag and drop and input exactly what you want to do. In fact, I'm going to take all the words and work with you and give them to you so that you can copy and paste those right into the system. Step number 5, instant traffic triggers. Now, we all know that no online business is complete without traffic. I'm going to teach you the best sources of traffic and how you can get traffic laser targeted and fast. Now, with these 5 steps, you're on your way to build your own email list. All right, it's time to prove it to you. I call this my $25,000 case study that I mentioned earlier in this video. Well, here it is. So I have 5 steps. I spent years perfecting them and automating each part of the process, but now it was time to test it. I decided to make myself a guinea pig. I decided that I would go into a brand new niche and start a business. I have no contacts. I couldn't use my name. That means my network was useless to me. I had to go in brand new, just like you would be doing. I had to use my 5 steps. I had to use simple technology that was copy and paste, click, click. Could I do it? Well, let's find out. I want to show you what I did. I'll even show you the website. I'm about to give it all away. Just get ready and take notes. All right, so the first part of the process is the easiest, but 95% of businesses online are completely missing the boat here. 95% of the businesses on the internet are losing millions of dollars all because their websites are not set up right. What if I told you that the ugliest website, the smallest website, the one with no bells and whistles, plain and simple as can be, well, that's what wins. You see, what you need is a quick website that you can build using this amazing technology. Yes, I'll give it to you for free soon. But basically, the website should have only one purpose. When someone comes to the website, you are going to give them a free bribe to get them to give you their email address. That's it. No money, no credit cards, nothing fancy. Just get them to input their email address. The rest is fully automated. Trust me, I'm not technical here at all. There's nothing technical out here. It's just all click, click, fill in the blanks. I'll show you how to set that perfect free bribe up and make people run to give you their email address. Heck, I'll even give you the free bribes that you can use. How's that sound? Okay, so now it's time to make me a little guinea pig. Ready? Step 1, I had to find a niche. What's a niche? It's just a topic. What will my list be about? There's tons and tons of topics already out there, and actually there's hundreds that work just fine. All you have to do is pick the one that you like the most. By the way, I'll even do this for you. I'm going to give you the best niches. I'll tell you all the best ones so you don't have zero risk for you. You don't even have to worry about going into a bad niche. All right, I'll tell you the niche that I chose in a second. Now, the second step, I had to get my little one-page website up. That's it. I had to log into the simple little website, click a few buttons, and I just filled in the blanks and done. I can launch a website in any niche I want, unlimited number of websites for free. Of course, by the end of this video, I'm going to give you that tool for free as well. Now, in just a minute, I'm going to show you the actual site that I built. Next, a simple little free gift bribe. See, this is the craziest part. I don't even have to create this myself. I just had someone else do it for me, and it was done in almost no time. But for you, it gets even better. You don't even have to have someone else do it for you. I'm going to give you a bunch of them. That's right. I'm going to hand them to you. After this, I chose a good affiliate offer. Basically, there are hundreds of them on the internet. They are not your own products. I don't have to deal with any of the hassle. I just get a link and I make a commission as high as 75% just for sending new subscribers to this link. It seriously can't get easier than that to make money. Not only do I get subscribers for life using this tiny one-page website, but I'm also making money at the same time. Can you say 2 birds, 1 stone? And as always, guess what? In a few minutes, by the end of this video, I'm going to give you the list of these affiliate programs for free in every niche that I recommend. Again, no work for you. I've already done it. The only last piece left now was just to get some traffic to it. Well, let me tell you, there's a secret sauce of my system. 99% of internet marketers who fail do so because they can't get traffic to their website. They confuse themselves and go at it all wrong. Not me. I have 3 traffic techniques I like the most, and that's it. I've built multi-million-dollar businesses in my life, all which is focused on 3 traffic sources. Guess what? You guessed it. I'm going to hand you those traffic sources. Can you believe that? So now there's nothing left. Nothing. It took me about 60 minutes max to get this new business up. And the one I'm about to show you, and literally using this 5-step system, I can launch as many businesses as I want. They're all going to take me 60 minutes or less. After that, you just spend about 10 minutes a day. This business has been one of the most ignored businesses in my entire company because I only did it as a test. And look at this. It's me making over $25,000 a month, even though I only spent 10 minutes a day on it. So 6 months ago, when I decided to make myself a guinea pig, I chose to go into the law of attraction niche. I really believe in law of attraction. It's radically changed my life. So it was a fun topic for me. Here, look at this website. You see that? That's it. I don't even have a website. I have a 1 page on the internet, on the entire internet, full of billions and billions of pages. I have 1 page that took me minutes to make using an automated technology because of this 1 page. Look how much I make regularly in my life. It's a true blessing if you ask me. I'm able to make $700 to $1,000 a day working about 10 minutes a day. The entire time I'm helping people change lives. I'm helping people that are down and out looking for inspiration. I'm helping people make their dreams come true. And I'm going to make a lot of money. My list grows on its own. Every month, my income goes up all on autopilot. I have countless businesses like that. Look at one of my businesses. I have 21,942 size lists in it. I'm making about $21,168 a month in March of 2015, all on autopilot. Here's another business. I have 49,852 leads in this business. Again, look how much I've made in 1 month. That's 1 month of pure profit. This is money that just gets deposited straight into my account and there's nothing I have to do for it. This is real. I was my own guinea pig and I've proven just how easy it is. You can do it all using a simple technology that I'll give to you just as long as you agree to use my easy to follow 5-step system. There are endless niches that you can use this system in. Seriously, this 5-step system will be the only thing you need to make all your financial dreams come true. Now that you've seen my $25,000 case study, how would you like that success to be yours and not mine? When it comes to internet marketing and making money online, you need 3 things. 1, you need a step-by-step system. Number 2, you need tools. And I'm going to automate those for you and I'm going to hand those to you. That means no worries about technology, no worries about email. There's no hurdles that you're going to face. I'm going to make it as simple as possible regardless of your knowledge. Now, I'm going to share with you everything you need to get started right away. But you have to promise me 2 things. 1, you're going to watch the video you're about to see. And 2, that you're going to take action. So you ready? Let's go. My main goal for you is to get you started tonight. I don't want you to have to do any work. I've actually done it all for you. What I want is for you to give me 30 minutes. That's it. You've seen what this 5-step system can do, right? But the entire time I was actually building a list from scratch. You're not going to have to do that. You know the businesses that I started from zero that took me all the way to $25,000 a month? You can start up to 10 of those and I've already done all the work for you. That means 30 minutes, your business could be live. If you want, do that 10 times and you can have 10 businesses live in less than 1 week of part-time work. All right, let's get right to the details and exactly what you're getting in just a minute. You're about to literally get everything you need handed to you on a silver platter. I mean, everything you need to start building your profitable list as early as tonight. In the next few minutes, you're about to take positive action to change your life. Your jaw is going to drop. You ready? For example, the second you begin going through my 5-step system, you're going to be the first to see the list secrets section. This is the step-by-step, point-by-point system. Point, click, profit. It's 100% safe and fully tested. In the next step, you're about to see what I call the profit machine. This is an automated tool, 100% automated and free to use. More information on that in just a minute. And maybe my favorite shocker you're about to get, it's called my business wizard. Can you imagine what life would be like if you could wave a magic wand and poof, your business would be live? Well, I have it about as close to that as possible. I've got a simple click system that you can use. I'll hand it to you. It's changed my life. So here's the details of what you're about to get if you take action with Build My List. Number 1, This is what I've been doing for the past 6 years. I fought like crazy to get the system down. When I first started, it was so hard. I wanted to make it where anyone, absolutely anyone could do it. I know for 100% sure that this is it. You're about to get every single thing you need to become a master list builder. Step-by-step videos and even the technologies. This system has been time-tested, proven, and now it's just your turn to use it. Without a doubt, this system is easily worth at least $497. I've been offered way more than that even, but I'm just getting started. Let's keep going. Get ready to be shocked. No one has ever done what I'm about to do right now. Number 2, next, I want to give you 3 months for free of an autoresponder. That means that you have the ability to contact up to 10,000 people daily for free. All the technology you need to run your business. It's yours to start for free. That is worth at least $147. This is a true value, and that's what you would spend outside. I'm going to give you the Profit Machine for free. Again, I'm going to give you free technology. This is my business wizard. How would you like to be able to launch unlimited number of businesses? You'll never pay a dime. No royalties. For the next 90 days, you can build unlimited number of businesses for free using a very special technology. You know I've invested at least $50,000 in getting this built. It's a click technology that requires zero tech savviness. This is easily worth another $147 minimum. And I'm not even close to being done yet, guys. Number 4, I'm dead serious about your success. I mean it. It's almost becoming a session. When I first started learning how to make money online, I actually had someone who could help me almost on a daily basis. And guess what? How would you like to have daily coaching? Yes, I mean daily. How would you like to get on a small team of go-getters on a phone call and have all your questions answered? I've actually been called crazy by my friends for agreeing to do this, but I'm going to do it either way. I'm going to have a daily power call. Again, this is worth at least $497. Can you imagine having full access to me and my team every single day? We're virtually guaranteeing your success. Now, I know, remember I told you I'm giving you everything you need to finally start making money online? But I'm not done yet. Keep listening because the biggest bonus is coming. It's coming in about 60 seconds. But before that, number 5, a fully customizable and brandable report. Let me ask you something. What if I gave you free content that could change lives? What if I told you, here, just give this away for free to people and you'll make money? That's all. Your goal is to just give it away to people for free. No money, nothing. However, somehow, magically, when you give it away, you'll start to earn money. Hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars. It's that simple. Well, I've done it. The report is easily worth $297 and it's yours for free. Better yet, I'm going to give you full rights to it. Just download it, put your name on it, and make it yours. You can start giving it away, and almost like magic, it'll start making tons of money. Again, this is easily worth $297, if not more. But I've definitely saved the best for last. Here's the one bonus that could completely change your life. I've actually taken 10 of my best pages and emails. I'm going to hand them to you. Each business has generated me thousands of dollars. And today, I'm going to hand them to you 100% ready to go. I call this being done with you because all you have to do is download the files, make a few tweaks, and you're ready to go. So there you have it. 10 brand new businesses ready to go, all on a silver platter. Didn't I tell you I was saving the best for last? This one bonus has taken me over years of hard work. I'm very proud of it, and I know it's going to absolutely change your life. This bonus is valued at $2,997 or about $300 a business. If you add that all up between the core Build My List system, the entire Profit Machine tool, your own business wizard, the daily power calls, a free brandable report that you can profit instantly, and now 10 done with you businesses, just total that up and you're up to $4,582 in value. Right now, today, yours. I want to help, and that's why I'm going to completely ignore the advice that I got from every marketer I spoke to. They said that I should ask for a minimum investment of $999 to enroll into Build My List. Initially, I almost did. However, I talked to my team and thought about it for about a week. I decided that I wanted to shake things up. I wanted to do something crazy, something unheard of. I wanted to create ridiculous value and make sure that no one is left behind while our doors open. Rather than charge $999 or even $499, I decided that if you're serious today and really want to change your life, I will personally make an investment in your business. Today and just now and for a limited time, you can start for just $49 today, instantly. Yes, I said over $4,582 of real value today just for $49. There's nothing you have to pay me after that. I don't want to collect any royalties. There's no tricks, just flat out one small payment of $49. Yes, you even get the 10 done with you businesses that you can launch instantly, all for the same one-time investment of $49. That's it. All the experts said to go at least $999. I'm giving you an instant 95% discount right now. By the way, the course and everything along with it is 100% yours for life. Again, remember, my goal for you is to have you start in the next 30 minutes or less. So that's why I have held nothing back. You get it all right away. And finally, as always, you'll get a full 30-day risk-free period. If for any reason you don't find Build My List system to be exactly as life-changing as I'm saying it is, just send my support team an email and I will immediately refund your money and never charge you an extra penny again. You have absolutely nothing to lose. So what's it going to be? Are you ready to change your life? Today, you're getting $4,582 in value for just one tiny payment of $49. You ready to start? Just click the button below and fill out the form on the other side. Start today and let's work together. Join Build My List community and become a raging success story. Listen, we may already be shut down. Don't wait. The only way to find out if a seat is still available is to click the button below. If the next page loads, congratulations, you're in luck. For now, there's still a seat left for you. Click the button below and I'll see you on the other side.